Hi, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you all must be doing good. So, this is a daily collective reading. Let's see what's coming up for you as a message of the day. These energies last for 24 hours. So, whenever you get to watch this video, rest assured that it has messages for you. Let's see what message does the universe has for you for the next 24 hours. Thank you. You got the star card in reverse. The star card in reverse shows that there's lack of inspiration, there's lack of hope in your life. You might be lacking vision, you do not have anything to look up to, you do not have sufficient ideas, clarity over things. You might be allowing negative thinking, negative influences to come into your life and disturb the balance of your life. So there might be a scene when a very deep wish of you might not be granted. This is the case. So if this is all that is going up in your life, you need to have faith. This phase will not last forever. This will go away. You'll gain like better options in your life. Let's see what do we get when we clarify the cards. I like to pull the card away because of the imagery. So you got two cards with the star. Here is a star in reverse, and to clarify it, you got Four of Cups and Queen of Cups. Four of Cups is that you are missing on to some new opportunity in your life. You are not paying heed to that. You are just sad about these three cups because they do not fulfill you. This fourth cup is what is all that you have ever dreamt of. Like this fourth cup has everything that will make you satisfied, but you are not seeing it. You are not ready to accept it because you, in the first place, do not know even if it exists. What you need to do, you need to get out of your zone. You need to get out of this disinterested situation. You just need to just get up, be lively again, and just seek out the things, and then you will get this opportunity. Also, this is a huge call to pay attention to your emotions and feelings. You might be resisting some of your emotions and feelings. We should not resist our emotions and feelings. We should let ourselves feel the way they want to feel because emotions have their own ways. You just need to beautify yourself, put in the self-love, self-care, do things that makes you happy. You need to achieve this emotionally stable and calm state of mind. Only then you will be able to be an inspiration in lives of others, and this will be the only means to reignite the lost hope in your life, and things will become bigger and better for you. So that's all that I have for you. I hope the reading helped you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.